When it comes to bypassing detection methods, using proxy servers becomes essential, especially for hiding your IP address and avoiding restrictions. The good news is that we provide reliable residential and mobile proxies that are perfect for this purpose. In this tutorial, we'll also show you how to combine proxies with the Genlogin Antidetect browser. What is Genlogin? Genlogin is a powerful anti-detect browser that automates browser tasks and allows you to manage multiple browser profiles on a single device. With a strong focus on security, Genlogin lets you control browser fingerprints, including IP addresses, cookies, and browser settings, greatly enhancing your online privacy. In this video, we'll cover how to connect a proxy to Genlogin, how to create a profile with the right settings, and how to test if everything is working cleanly and securely. Before you begin, you'll need access to a proxy and a registered Genlogin account. Genlogin offers a free version limited to 5 profiles per account. For more features, you can upgrade to a paid plan. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use our proxy at panel.dslrentals.com. Step 1. Open the website panel.dslrentals.com and enter your access key. Step 2. To use advanced filters, click the Advanced Mode button. Step 3. Here, you can filter by country, state, provider, and connection type. Click View List to see the available proxies. Save your filter and select the proxy you want to use. Step 4. To change the IP address, click the Change IP button. Step 5. Now open the Genlogin browser and go to the Proxy Manager section. Click Add Proxy. Select the appropriate proxy type, in our case HTTP, and copy the format domain, port, login, password from your panel. In the tag field, you can give your proxy any name, then click Add. Let's now test the proxy, click Check. In the status field, you'll see the IP address, country, and time zone. Perfect, our proxy is working. Step 6. Let's create a browser profile. Click Create Profile. In the name field, enter any name you prefer. Under Network, select Gen Proxy, and under Proxy Manager, choose the proxy you just added. Step 7. Now click Create Profile to save your configuration. Step 8. Let's launch the profile. Go to Profiles, then to Local, and click Start. Step 9. Now let's verify that everything works. First, go to hooer.net. Then open browserscan.net. Everything looks clean, and finally open pixelscan.net. As you can see, everything is clean here too. Now you're ready to start working. Enjoy using the service. For more useful information regarding proxies and security, follow us on Telegram. Link will be in the description below.